What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, let me ask you this. Would you like to make $10 in 10 minutes? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $10 in 10 minutes right now. If that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $10 in 10 minutes. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away some free money. So please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. And also hit that like button for me. It really helps out my channel and helps out this video. It lets YouTube know that this is a live channel and not a dead channel. So hit that like button. Help me keep my channel alive. Now, before I get into this method, I just want to announce this to you guys. Like I said before, I do give away money on this channel. Now, the way you can win the free money is subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, watch all my videos all the way through to the end, and most importantly, drop a comment down below. And once I get to 2,500 subscribers, I'm going to pick a winner. But I'm not going to do it. I'm going to use this YouTube random comment picker to pick the winner. Because I want to be fair. I just don't want to pick somebody that I like their comment or whatever. So this, and matter of fact, I'm going to pick two people. Two people are going to win some free money. So it'll be beneficial for you guys to, if you have not subscribed to this channel, like this video and all my videos, and drop that comment down below and watch it all the way to the very end. I know if my videos are being watched all the way to the very end, and I know who has been subscribed to this channel. So follow those instructions, and once I get to 2,500 subscribers, you could be the next winner. All right, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can earn $10 in 10 minutes. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called User Feel. So what you're going to be doing is testing websites for this website right here. So what people do, they come here to get their website tested just to get people's reactions and comments and thoughts about their website. So what you're going to do once you get here, you're going to click on menu and go to become a tester. And as you can see here, it says you will earn $10 per test. And the test lasts for like 10 to 20 minutes. And here's an example right here. You can look and it'll show you how it works. And it says here, what do usability testers do? They conduct usability tests on websites. Their job is to imagine a given scenario and perform certain tasks, like finding a product on an online store or going through the checkout process. That helps the site owner to find and fix usability issues. And here's another frequently asked question. It says, do testers need to buy products or services from the website they test? And it says here, no. You may be asked to go through the checkout process of the online stores, but most of the time the scenarios will ask you to stop before clicking on the final submit button. So you don't have to do that. And here's another one. Here's another question. What equipment do I need to be a tester? In order to test websites and get paid $10 per test, you need to have a Windows or Mac computer. And if it's in Windows, you need Windows 7 or newer. Now, and let's just read one more thing here. And how do I get paid and how much? For each test you conduct after initial qualification test, you get paid $10. You receive payment after approval about 1 week after the test via PayPal or Amazon gift card. So you're going to get paid you can get paid through PayPal, but they have to approve it. So sometimes it takes a week, sometimes it takes less than a week for that to happen from my knowledge. All right. So that's how this website works, and this is what you're going to be doing. You're going to be testing websites and follow the instructions, give your opinions. All right. Now, let me go to another website that's going to pay you a little bit, going to pay you some more money so you can add along with this $10. So let me go ahead and go to that website now. Again, if you're interested in this website, it's called userfeel.com. Okay, I'm at the next website. It's called User Brain. And it says here, make money testing websites from home. So sign up and download the Chrome extension or iOS app and start testing websites. Speak your thoughts while going through a set of tasks for about 5 to 15 minutes. Receive new tests each week and get paid $3 per test via PayPal. So this one, they paid $3 per test, a little bit less, but you can add this with the other website. You'll be getting paid about $13 or more for 10-20 minutes of work. And of course, they pay through PayPal. And you sign up, it's free to sign up. Just put in your email address and password to sign up. And here's example video if you want to know more about it. So basically, it's just similar to the other website. So I'm not going to say too much else about this. It's straightforward, to the point. All right, so if you're interested in starting with this user testing website, go to userbrain.com. All right, now you know the website you can go to right now and start earning $10 in 10 minutes. So go ahead and sign up with those websites and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. If you could just direct your attention down to the description below, I have a lot of cool stuff that you guys can benefit from. I have a link that you can click on that you can get some money today. I also have a link you can click on where you can make some money on autopilot. And I got some free giveaways down there also that you guys can get and download right now, and that definitely benefits you guys on your journey to make money online. And since I am an app creator, I create apps. Check out those also in the description below. It's all the way down at the bottom of the description. You're going to see some apps. Check my apps out. All right, that's all I have for this video. Please, again, hit that like button for me and help me get at least 50 likes, guys. That's all I ask, 50 likes. That's really going to help out my channel and really help out this video. So help me to get at least 50 likes. And please drop a comment down below so you can get a chance to win that free money. And if you have any questions about what I talked about today, please leave that in the comment sections in the comment section also. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really, really want to help everybody I can to make money online. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, thank you, Grind family. I really appreciate you guys. I really appreciate you guys checking out my video. Keep watching and help me grow. And I'm gonna keep giving this content and keep giving away free money. All right, one more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Now go check out some of my other videos until my next one come out. Deuces.
This is Rant TV.